Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this because we don't have the negative sign in here. So I will put this one go to the left. Next we change for u ds over s, where we change for negative du. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this one that is about secant of u square multiplied by secant of u square. And now we have the formula in here. This one that is about this one. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to tan u, and later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for t, and we have t square secant of u square du, secant of u square du, that is about dt. So the integration of t square, we have this one. Number one, that is about t. About t, that is about tan u. About u, that is about 1 over s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.